everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have another project share for you guys. I'm packaging some things to send to a friend, and I was trying to figure out how I was gonna store the bows that I had been making, the holiday bows, using the My Creative Time bow dies. Anyway, I've been sharing it the past few videos, and so anyway, I wanted to package it, and I decided I wanted to put it in a box. So I was gonna turn on my Cricut maker and create one of those embellishment boxes, or what is it called? I think it's called a candy box or a cupcake box. I had gotten the file last year, and I did use it during the holidays to give out some candy to my whole neighborhood. I actually made like 10 boxes, but I never really shared it because it was kind of last minute, and I did it and I didn't get to record it or anything. But anyway, I decided not to do that one. I decided to just do this pizza box that I learned how to do years ago, and it was inspired by Sarah Elliott. She had done a tutorial, and what she used was the Corrugate stack. I don't remember if she used this particular one, but there is another DCWV Corrugate stack that's just like all natural colors. This is the one that I decided to play with today, and as you can see, like I'm kind of like left with just the uglier colors. I don't know. Because I had used up quite a bit of it. I mean, half of it maybe. I mean, not that these are super ugly. They're just, you know, not usually my colors. I do like the purple. It's a little darker for me though, so I hardly use it. I think I've used it before though. But I think I ended up just using up the pinks and this green right here for some reason. Anyway, I decided to whip this out and make some boxes because I'm in love with yellow. I think I've said that a few times now, and I love this specific yellow Corrugate. So anyway, this is what I ended up making, you guys. So remember when we used to make these, you old crafters or old-time crafters, we used to make these pizza boxes. And again, this was not my idea. The only thing I did different is that I put a window on mine, and I used a die that I have in my stash, which is an Alina Craft die, and it's this one right here. And I used this larger piece right here to create that window. And so you don't need any dies to make this, except for if you want to make the window. But to make the box, it's really simple and easy. I'll leave the tutorial that Sarah Elliott did in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But basically, in a nutshell, what she does is she just takes the Corrugate. So this is a 6x6. I think it's a 6x6, but you end up creating a 4x4 box, and all you're doing is scoring 1 inch all around, and then, you know, just creating a slit here and here, and then you create your box. You put the box together. So I made a couple of them. Look how cute, right? They come out so cute. And oops, I dropped something there. And the reason I made this is because I wanted it to be, you know, sturdy. I didn't want my bow to get smushed, basically, because I'm packaging this and sending it off. But this here is a pizza box, and this one I just decided to, it's more of, you know, just a regular box. And as you can see, it houses my bows and even the little flower centers that I'm sharing with some friends. So yes, I'll be sending a couple of packages this month. But I really love the window, and super easy to make, you guys. So the thing is, I don't know if the Corrugate stack is available, because I think I got these at Joann's, I think, years ago, and I don't believe they have this anymore. I'm not sure. I did check online in case one of you guys asks me, where did you get it? Yeah, and I don't think they have it anymore. But I did find some Corrugate sheets. They come in 8.5 by 11 on Amazon, so I think I might just have to get some. It does come in like a pretty good amount. So you know, it might be a little, you know, pricier, because you're not just getting one sheet. But you know, you can check Joann's. I did get recently, I did get some corrugated paper from Joann's, but it was white. So I don't know if they have other colors. I really didn't check. So anyway, didn't they come out so cute? So yeah, and this one I put a notch so that the recipient knows to, you know, you hold it like this and then you can pull it out, because it is nice and tight on there. I did make the bottom box part a tad smaller. I cut like maybe 1/8 of an inch off before assembling it. So I think these came out really cute. And then I did put some flat back. I've been obsessed with using this lately. This one right here, the one's from Michael's. And so yes, I use those. You could use beads for the antenna right here, but I actually decided to just use the flat backs, and I just sandwiched the wire. And you can use whatever wire you have in your stash, but I happen to like this one that I've been using a lot lately because I have a lot of it. And of course I can't find it right now to show you during this video, so I think I might have dropped it. Okay, but anyway, that's what I did for the antenna. And then I just used this bling here that I think I got at Michael's too. I'm not sure, but I just put that as at the top of the butterfly, as the head of the butterfly, and then the body here. And I just used glossy accent to adhere this down. This one, I think I used hot glue so that it would stay put, because I put it right on top of the wire. So I just had to make sure that that was adhered nicely on there. So I love these. They're so cute and so fun to make and so easy. And then the piece that you pop out, right? Because I cut this piece right here. I decided to create a little butterfly embellishment. And so all I did was I used the same die and I cut some acetate. This is a We Are Memory Keepers acetate. I love this, you guys. This acetate piece. And I thought I would just layer them together, but I did sew it just to make sure that it actually stays in place. And I did 2 stitching because I wanted to be able to fold the butterfly a little bit, but leave room for the bling in the middle to create the body. And the bling here is also from Michael's. So I just love the way that came out, and I love doing the antennas. And the same thing, this bling here, I did use the same bling down here. I hope I'm in frame. And I basically just sandwiched the wire, put the wire in the middle and used a sandwich. But you could also use a bead. That's probably easier, but of course I had to do it the hard way just because I had this out and I wanted to use this particular bling as well as these and so I didn't use a bead. Instead I used the flat backs and just sandwiched that together. So anyway, quick and easy, and I didn't have to use my Cricut. I didn't have to you know, use a file or any box die. I just, you know, did it by hand, and you don't even need a scoreboard for this actually. You can use your ruler. Just make sure you're going out an inch all around. And yeah. Oh, here's my other one. I think they're exactly the same. Yeah, I did exactly the same, but I got 2 butterflies, and I'm so sad because there's no more. I don't have any more yellow. I don't have any more yellow, and I'm loving this yellow and pink combination. Isn't it just cute? Oh my gosh, it's just so dainty. I love it. And if I didn't say so, it's a 4x4. The box is a 4x4 size. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.